Tonight at 5, we'll soon see some changes to a popular local golf course. The city says a new project will protect northeast neighborhoods from potentially catastrophic flooding. But not everyone is convinced this is the answer. Denver 7's Amanda Del Castillo is at City Park Golf Course with a closer look.
If you're one of the many who frequent City Park Golf Course, then you know that it's a Denver landmark, but it could soon also be the site of a proposed flood control project.
What we've come to love is still going to be there, and it'll be better.
Happy Haynes is referring to the city's plan to plant to Park Hill stormwater system, a project that would change the City Park Golf Course we know.
Taking advantage of nature and where water flows.
She says the golf course can accommodate much more, including the protection of neighborhoods downstream.
The stormwater system, the drainage system, is going to do nothing for our established neighborhoods, and we're just paying for it.
Wastewater fees would pay for the system. One Bridget Walsh says would ruin a historic course.
People love City Park Golf Course, they love City Park, and they do not want it destroyed to install a stormwater, a utility, an industrial utility, a stormwater mitigation pond.
This project isn't about making City Park Golf Course go away, number one, and number two, we really want to preserve the things that people love about the course.
One aspect sprouting concerns for both sides, the trees. Hayes says the city is identifying trees of high and historic value to keep.
We certainly have no intentions of making it anything other than the wonderful City Park Golf Course that it has always been.
In Denver, I'm Amanda Del Castillo, Denver 7.